Welcome to SPSS Statistics Tutorials. In this video, you are going to learn about the basics of SPSS Statistics. As you can see, there is a variable view and there is a data view for entering the data into SPSS. Before we proceed in detail into the analysis, let us understand different file menus. As you can see, the file menu, edit menu and view, these three are common as it looks like in the MS Office and other MS version softwares, that means spreadsheets. And other menus, as you can see, data, transform, analyze and direct marketing and graphs. These are meant for the data entry, analysis and graphing. And other menu shows that utilities, where we have to add additional utility to the SPSS software, add-ons, certain applications, services which includes consulting and training, etc. So overall it looks like IBM SPSS Statistics, a user-friendly software. So let us start. To enter the data, first we have to enter the variable view. In variable view, type the variable name. For example, sales. Sales is the variable name which is of numeric type. As you can see, there are many types, out of which numeric type has been taken. Width of the number and decimals and label. Especially labels are used because we cannot enter the name in the name field with the special characteristics. So elaborately you can write the name of the particular variable here. So let us say sales of a product. Once you entered the label, sales is what type of measurement. So if you click measurement, there are three: nominal, ordinal and scale. We will discuss in detail about these measurement scales in the next chapter. So let us understand how to enter the data first. So I am keeping, as of now, it is scale data. Define another variable called as price. Same as it is also numeric type, elaborating the name, price of a product. Once you have entered the two variables in the data view, automatically these two variables are captured. Now it is the time to enter the data either manually, or if you have an Excel spreadsheet that contains the data about sales and price, you can enter directly from copying it into this particular sheet. So let us manually enter some values. Some variable values I have entered. The price is 6 rupees, 8, 12, 32, 24, 25. Let us understand how this data has been entered. Now we will proceed with the basic calculations, how to do it. So in the analyze button, you go to descriptive statistics and calculate a particular mean, median, mode and other statistical calculations. So in this video we are only interested in highlighting how to enter the data, how to enter the variables first, then how to enter the data. Thank you so much.